friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make brown rice in the Instant Pot. Then I'm going to show you how I assemble a homemade salmon poke bowl using the brown rice. Now, let's get started. Measure 1 cup of brown jasmine rice in your Instant Pot liner and then give it a wash. Drain the water off. A sieve will help you drain the water off completely. Next, we're going to add 1.5 cups of cold water to the rice in the Instant Pot liner. Then you want to make sure you take a towel and dry off the bottom of the Instant Pot liner as well as the top rim. This will help to ensure a high pressure seal. Next, place the Instant Pot liner into the Instant Pot. Now it's time to plug in your Instant Pot and put the lid on. Line up the arrow on the lid with the lock and then twist so that the arrows match up. And make sure the knob is in place and is sitting in the sealing position. Now it's time to set your Instant Pot. Press the manual button and using the plus/minus buttons, set the time to 22 minutes on high pressure. For the salmon poke, I'm using sashimi quality sockeye salmon diced into 1-inch cubes. Add to the salmon 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of pure sesame seed oil, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, add 1 chopped green onion, half a teaspoon of sriracha or more if you like it more spicy, and finally add 1 teaspoon of ponzu sauce. Give it a mix and keep it in the refrigerator for up to 2 hours. Now the Instant Pot is safe to open. Open it up, and did you know the lid can rest on the side like so? The brown rice is all ready, it just needs to be fluffed up. Now we can assemble our salmon poke bowl. Here are some of my favorite rice toppings: 1 tablespoon of canned corn, 1 tablespoon of diced cucumber, a small handful of sliced purple cabbage, some seaweed salad that I purchased at TNT. I've also seen it sold at Costco. Next, we can go ahead and spoon the salmon poke on top. The salmon that we prepared earlier is good for 2 servings. And don't forget to spoon some of the marinade on top as well. Next, we can garnish with some roasted sesame seeds and some chopped green onions. Finally, I'd like to add a few pieces of freshly cut avocado. And that's my take on salmon poke bowl with Instant Pot brown rice. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!